Meaning of golden goose.
Golden goose.
Golden goose.
Golden goose.
Golden goose. Golden goose is a metaphorical expression that refers to a source of constant wealth or success, typically in the form of a business or an investment. Just like the goose that laid golden eggs for the farmer in the popular folktale, a golden goose is something that continually generates financial gain or other benefits. It implies a valuable asset or resource that should be nurtured and protected. Neglecting or mismanaging the golden goose could result in the loss of its benefits. Therefore, it is important to recognize and appreciate such assets to ensure their continued success.